Medtech, you light up a world like nobody else. The way that you teach us make us overwhelmed. But when you get difficult, it is hard to tell. Medtech, you go. You can save lives to all if only you saw what I can see. You understand why we want Medtech so desperately. Right now we're talking to you, making you believe. Medtech, you go. You can save lives to all. You can save lives to all.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when